So I'm out here today checking out a new trail. The guys I ride with have been clearing this one out recently. It's actually a long forgotten trail. It's been used for enduro races in the past, but probably hasn't had any bikes on it in about 10 years. The crew I ride with have been out here limbing it, they've been cutting trees, they've been benching areas out. You can see here, like, this trail used to get a lot of use, but without any bikes on it in a number of years, you know, the forest kind of takes over. Probably going to be downhill only for most riders. It's definitely going to climb in elevation pretty quickly. It's not an easy trail. I'm going up it today in pretty terrible conditions, but that's the direction we've been clearing it, so I'm not able to get to it from the top right now. So I'm trying to be careful, trying to be a little bit timid on the throttle, trying to really minimize wheel spin, but I need to get up to the spot where we need to do some additional scouting and clearing.
Really? We're gonna go there, huh? Okay.
But I'm excited about this trail. It's going to be a fun one. It's going to provide a solid challenge if you're trying to go uphill, although we'll probably want to limit the number of people going uphill on it just so we don't kind of ruin the trail. You get too much tire spinning, you get people kind of getting in over their heads, and that's when these trails kind of fall apart. So downhill, it'll still be challenging. It's going to provide some really awesome views. There's some rock outcroppings where you get a good view of the valley, which would be fun too. It's really super rewarding when you can get out here, clear some trails, build some stuff, and then go ride what you've built. And I got to give a big kudos to the crew I've been riding with. They know who they are, but they put in a lot of work and a lot of effort getting these trails opened up. And, you know, any small part we can do to help out is just going to really make our riding areas that much better.
awkward.